Okay, this is a bird. I think it's a duck. I don't know if it's a bald eagle or a duck or a merganser or something. This bird is trapped in my lake. Jeff! I'm telling you to call the cops right now, or I'm going to get this net and I'm going to put that bird in that flaming net. That thing is going to infect this entire lake. We're in the bird flu outbreak. You think this is a joke, don't you, Jeff? Just please, just call the RSPCA or someone. I know you're all freaked out. Where is he pooing in the lake? What the... Jeff, is that... Oh, snap! This thing's pooing in the lake! Jeff! That flaming Yuri is pooing in the lake! The goose, the duck... Listen, it's pooing in the lake! Alright, I'm not gonna scream. I'm not going to scream at it anymore. That's it. Call the cops. That's it. Right, if you don't call the cops, I'm going to get that net and I'm going to put that net on top of that bird and I'm going to remove it. Release it somewhere else. I don't know. Who the heck knows if that thing is infected or not? What? Jeff, that bird's pooing in the lake. Call the cops. That thing has just pooed in the lake. Yes, I did, Jeff. I saw it on video. That bird has just pooed in the lake. Call the RSPCA right now.